Are you curious about where the housing market is headed in 2025? Will mortgage rates finally drop? And what about home prices? Will they keep rising? This is Dia Irby with this week's market update, diving into what experts are saying about mortgage rates and home prices in 2025 and how that could impact your decision to buy or sell. Let's get into it. First up, mortgage rates. This is a huge factor for anyone thinking about buying a home, and there's good news on the horizon. Experts are forecasting that rates will begin to ease throughout 2025. You can see this in the graph here. While it won't be a straight drop, the overall trend is projected to move downward over the course of the year. Of course, there may be some bumps along the way as rates respond to new economic data and inflation numbers, but don't get too focused on those small fluctuations. The bigger picture is what matters. And as rates come down, affordability improves. That means lower monthly payments and more flexibility on what you can afford. As Charlie Daughtry, senior economist at Wells Fargo, explains, and I quote, "Lower financing costs will likely boost demand by pulling affordability crunch buyers off of the sidelines," end quote. As rates drop, we're likely to see more buyers ready to jump back into the market and more sellers listing their homes. Next, let's talk about home prices. According to the experts, prices will continue to rise in 2025, but at a much more moderate pace than we've seen in recent years. On average, we're looking at a projected increase of around 2.5% nationally. Now, take a look at this chart, which shows the different people and their expectations, the expected price growth. This is much healthier, more sustainable pace than the double-digit gains we've experienced before. What's driving this modest growth? It all comes down to supply and demand. As more buyers return to the market, demand will rise, and we're also expecting more sellers to list their homes. This balancing act will help keep price growth in check, making the market a bit more manageable for buyers. But remember, these are national trends, and each local market is different. Some areas may see faster growth, while others may experience slower gains or even mild price declines. As Lance Lambert from Resi Club explains, and I quote, "Some markets could see mild price declines, while others could still experience elevated appreciation," end quote. That's why it's so important to work with a local real estate expert who understands your area, like me. I can give you a clear picture of what's happening in our local market, not just the national trends. Bottom line, with mortgage rates expected to come down and home prices rising at a more moderate pace, 2025 is shaping up to be a more balanced and promising year for both buyers and sellers. If you have any questions about what these trends mean for you or how they could impact your next move, let's connect. Remember, I'm here to answer your questions and guide you on your real estate journey. Until next time, stay informed and stay positive. I'm Dia Irby, your favorite realtor, by your side all the way. Bye now.